Welcome back to my channel, Everything Business by Sirisha Varma. In today's video, we are going to do a roundabout regarding the startup news for the week ending 29 January 2022. In news number 1, Zomato shares tank 10%, down 48% from 52-week high. Apart from Zomato, its other tech pairs including companies like 197 Communications, which owns Paytm, and Nykaa dipped by over 1%. PB Fintech, which runs Policy Bazaar, was down 4%. Car Trade Tech, which reported a loss for the third subsequent quarter, was down another 6%. Zomato listed on the Indian stock exchanges at more than 50% premium to its issue price at Rs. 76 just post 1 week of its IPO being delivered on Indian stock market. Deepinder Goyal, who is the founder of Zomato, in an address to his employees on Monday said, "Let me tell you a secret. I have been waiting for a bear market for a long time now. That is when funding dries up for everyone and companies with the most solid teams and execution rise to the top." So as you can understand from the founder's words, he is looking at this as an opportunity for understanding whether his company can sustain in the long term or not. Apart from Zomato, of course, its other tech pairs, including companies like 197 Communications and Nykaa, they dipped over 1%. PB Fintech, which runs Policy Bazaar, was down 4%. Cart Trade Tech, which reported a subsequent loss for third quarter, was down another 6%. Of course, this is an opportunity for people with some risk appetite and capital to buy these companies at an amazingly low price. But please do remember, only if you have the knowledge and if you have the heart, please do invest. Otherwise, please stay away from these companies. In news number 2, boat owner Imagine Marketing files for a Rs. 2,000 crore IPO. If this is filed, this would be India's biggest IPO till date. Imagine Marketing, which owns the boat brand of earphones and smartwatches, filed DRHP for an initial public offer of up to Rs. 2,000 crores with the market regulator SEBI on Thursday. According to the DRHP, the IPO would consist of a fresh issue of shares worth up to Rs. 900 crore, an offer for sale of shares worth up to Rs. 1,100 crores, and its investor South Lake Investments will sell shares worth up to Rs. 800 crore as part of Imagine Marketing's IPO. Boat was last valued at around Rs. 2,200 crores when it raised Rs. 50 crores from Qualcomm Ventures in April last year. It is now eyeing a valuation of around 5 to 6 times its revenue for this fiscal. Founded in 2016, Boat has emerged as one of the prominent homegrown D2C, direct-to-consumer brands that has challenged market leaders in the earphones and wearable space. It clocked a net profit of Rs. 78 crores in the fiscal ending March 31, 2021 on the back of 1,500 crore rupees revenue. In news number 3, Netflix investor takes HR tech startup Darwinbox into Unicorn Club. Darwinbox has raised $72 million in a funding round led by Netflix backer TCV at a valuation of more than $1 billion, thus making the cloud-based HR tech startup the fourth unicorn so far this year. A unicorn company is a company which is valued at over $1 billion. With the latest fundraise, the Hyderabad and Singapore-based firm has now raised a total of $110 million from investors. The round saw participation of existing backers, including Salesforce Ventures, Sequoia Capital India, Lightspeed India, India Partners, etc. Darwinbox helps organizations manage their human resources needs such as hiring, onboarding, touchless attendance, and employee management digitally. It works with both new age firms such as Make My Trip and Swiggy and traditional companies like Adani Group firms. Paleti, who is the founder of the company, aims to double down on global expansion and accelerate its product development plans. After having grown 200% in the last 1 year, we are looking to enter US markets this year. It will be a super force multiplier, but could become a substantial contributor to revenue in the next 3 to 4 years, is what he's saying. Now, in news number 4, Swiggy turns Decacorn, closes $700 million round led by Invesco at $10.7 billion valuation. Unicorn are those companies which are valued at $1 billion, and Decacorn are those companies which are valued at over $10 billion. Food delivery platform Swiggy has closed a $700 million round led by US asset manager Invesco. The latest capital infusion has nearly doubled Swiggy's valuation to $10.7 billion, making it a decacorn. With the latest fundraise, Swiggy's valuation has overtaken Zomato's current market cap. In the process, Swiggy has also emerged as the second most valuable privately held startup after educational technology company Byju's. We have also done a case study regarding Swiggy's business model and how it makes money and the different products or the different innovations that Swiggy has done. If you want to learn more about it, please do check out that video as well. It will be there in the I button or on the top of this video as well as in the description below. Number 5. Cure Foods merges with rival Mavericks to create India's biggest cloud kitchen. Cure Foods is India's fastest growing cloud kitchen company, which houses brands like Eat Fit, Cake Zone, and Aligarh House. Following the merger with Mavericks, which operates over 50 outlets across Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore, Cure Foods will have 125 kitchens across 12 cities, making it one of the largest cloud kitchen players here in India. Cure Foods will be valued at about $280 million or about rupees 2,100 crores post the merger. Together, we now have the largest manufacturing capability in the fresh food space, Cure Foods founder Ankit Nagori said in a statement. Mavericks was founded in 2015 by Sri Padnathkari and Sri Barambe. They will now take up key roles at Cure Foods, a company spokesperson said. This is a game-changing merger at a time when the Indian cloud kitchen ecosystem is thriving and presents numerous opportunities for growth and brand creation. If you specifically look at India, given that there is a rise in the number of couples working, people, and with a lot of disposable income that people have, they are willing to experiment with different foods. That is why the cloud kitchen space here in India is thriving, and Cure Foods seems to have emerged as the market leader in this space. So that is it for today. These are the top 5 startup news for this week ending January 29th, 2022. I hope you found this content interesting. If you think this is interesting and is helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. If you think this will help somebody in your network, please do share this video along with them. Now, I will see you again in my next video. Until then, please do take care. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye-bye.